Welcome to PittFundsMe, the University of Pittsburgh's scholarship database. This demonstration explains how to access and navigate PittFundsMe and how to search and apply for scholarships. PittFundsMe connects students with real and relevant scholarship opportunities. Admitted and current Pitt students can log in, complete a series of profile questions, and receive scholarship matches through an adaptive matching engine. The platform is designed to save time searching for scholarships, allowing more time to focus on applying. Access PittFundsMe through your My Pitt dashboard. If the PittFundsMe icon is not visible, use the search bar at the top of your screen by typing scholarships, and then add PittFundsMe to your favorites. After logging in, the student dashboard provides a clear overview of scholarship activity, including scholarships that need additional questions answered, scholarships currently open for application, and applications already in progress. The scholarship funnel highlights the range of available opportunities. There are over 15,000 external scholarships available year-round. All external scholarships are fully vetted for legitimacy, providing confidence when applying. The Actions Required section lists reminders for pending tasks, and the Answer More Questions bar at the top of the page directs attention to additional matching questions linked to more scholarship opportunities. The Questions tab allows previously answered questions to be reviewed or updated. It is recommended that students log in at least once per semester to confirm information and explore new opportunities. But because scholarships open throughout the year, checking more frequently increases the chance of discovering new scholarship matches. The Answer More Questions button leads to profile questions that are linked to at least one scholarship in the database. These questions either collect new information or verify existing details to ensure accurate scholarship matches. Pitt-specific questions appear first, as they are the most critical for internal scholarships. It is not necessary to answer every question, but answering more will increase the number of scholarships PittFundsMe can verify your eligibility for. The Scholarships page is broken down into different categories. The Matches tab displays scholarships that students are currently eligible to apply for. The default sort option on this page is School Scholarships First, so that Pitt scholarships will always appear at the top of the list. Results can be resorted, filtered, or searched as needed. Each listing includes an option to apply or view the details. It is important to know that there are three types of scholarships available through PittFundsMe. Number one is external scholarships. These are scholarships offered by an organization outside of the university that has been vetted for legitimacy. The Apply button links to the organization's external website to collect applications. The second type of scholarships are Pitt Application Scholarships, scholarships offered by a University of Pittsburgh department. These scholarships are visible only when applications are open and accepting submissions. The third type of scholarships is a non-application scholarship. These are also scholarships offered by a Pitt department. However, scholarships without an application are not listed on this page because eligibility is determined automatically based on answers to the matching questions. This structure highlights the importance of keeping your profile up to date so that you can be matched to scholarships that you are eligible for and do not need to apply for. Additional features include a pin button to save scholarships for later consideration. Revisit these pinned scholarships on your pinned tab. A Not Interested button to remove scholarships from your primary view to your Not Interested tab in case you change your mind. Applications submitted will review your completed, recently submitted applications. Non-matches shows scholarships for which eligibility criteria are not met. Partial matches displays scholarships that you may be eligible for, but you have not answered enough questions to verify a complete match. For example, click the View button on any partial match to view the criteria and update your answers to any missing data points. You can click the pencil icon on a matching question to provide your answer. If you match the criteria or the scholarship, an Apply button will become available to you. The Applications tab organizes scholarships by application status. Ready to start are the Pitt scholarships that the student qualifies for but has not yet started the application. In progress are applications started but not yet submitted. These must be completed and submitted before the deadline. Submitted applications are completed applications that can still be edited until the scholarship deadline passes. The Awards tab will list any scholarships that have been received. The My Docs tab allows for required documents to be uploaded or managed as part of the application process. For any questions or assistance related to PittFundsMe or scholarships, contact the Office of Admissions and Financial Aid, specifically the Financial Aid Office, or the department offering the scholarship, or if you're not sure who to reach out to, email pittfundsme@pitt.edu. Thank you for viewing this demonstration of the University of Pittsburgh scholarship database, PittFundsMe.